Birds live and breed in most terrestrial habitats and on all 7 continents. Reaching their southern extreme in the snow petrels breeding colonies up to 440 kilometers (270 miles) inland in Antarctica. The highest bird diversity occurs in tropical regions. It was earlier thought that this high diversity was the result of higher speciation rates in the tropics. However, studies from the 2000s found higher speciation rates in the high latitudes that were offset by greater extinction rates than in the tropics. Many species migrate annually over great distances and across oceans. Several families of birds have adapted to life both on the world's oceans and in them. And some seabird species come ashore only to breed. While some penguins have been recorded diving up to 300 meters (980 feet) deep. Many bird species have established breeding populations in areas to which they have been introduced by humans. Some of these introductions have been deliberate. The ring-necked pheasant, for example, has been introduced around the world as a game bird. Others have been accidental, such as the establishment of wild monk parakeets in several North American cities after their escape from captivity. Some species, including cattle egret, yellow-headed caracara and galah, have spread naturally far beyond their original ranges as agricultural expansion created alternative habitats. Although modern practices of intensive agriculture have negatively impacted farmland bird populations,